After 5 years as a pulmonologist, I'm finally sharing the little known secret to stopping a cough fast. It starts with something as simple as swishing coconut oil in your mouth can help lubricate your throat and reduce irritation. Spicy foods are another unexpected remedy. It can actually clear out the mucus from your chest. Something with a bit of heat helps open the airways. My personal favorite, a warm cup of HG Feel Better tea. This tea is known for its soothing properties, calming throat irritation, and supporting the body's defenses. It's like a comforting reset for the throat with every sip. You can easily find it on Amazon for instant relief. Don't underestimate the power of gargling with apple cider vinegar. It balances your throat's pH and targets bacteria.